Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today guys is, what's today RJ? February 14.
Valentine's Day.
Yeah. Happy Valentine's guys.
And the Daytona 500.
And have NASCAR RJ favorite racing. It's so bright here.
The Daytona 500.
Yeah.
The Great American.
Yes.
The Crown Jewel event. The 63rd running of the Daytona
Yeah.
500.
Happy Valentine's everyone. And today guys, mayroon na namang nagsusurprise doon sa door. Sa aming pintuan, sa front door guys. So, pakita ko sa inyo ang mamaya guys. So, karon guys, ngayon pang mayroong araw dito guys. Ilang araw na hindi nagpakita ang araw guys. Ngayon sa bukid. Yan. Yan. Andun si RJ naglalaro. So ito na ang aming bakuran guys. Wala nang snow dito pero grabe ang lamig pa rin. Yan oh. Tingnan nyo ang mountain guys. Mayroong pang snow doon oh. So ito dito maliit na lang ang snow. Yan. Yan maliit na lang sa aming garden. Yan. Doon si RJ. Ang lamig RJ. It's super cold RJ. You're recording me?
Yeah, definitely.
You just flip-flop. Okay, let's go guys. We go to the front door. We look at what's in there. Dahil Valentine's kasi ngayon guys. So, punta tayo dito. Pasok ta sa loob guys. What you doing RJ there? Yun, ang gandang araw na today guys. Ilang araw na kumilim-lim dito. Ngayon lang mayroong araw guys. Oh, it's almost
Look into my camera.
yeah. Don't do that. Almost 6 o'clock na guys. Pero mayroong pang araw. Oh.
It's 6 o'clock in 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Or NASCAR.
And there is RJ and
It's
NASCAR.
NASCAR.
Yep.
I've been delayed for 15 hours. And
Because
also,
it's raining.
there's been a giant crash where
Yep.
Alex Bowman crashed.
Yep. Okay, let's
But I'm not
go.
even a fan of Alex Bowman.
Oh, there he is. 48.
I'm a fan of Jimmy Johnson. But even if Jimmy Johnson,
Even it's hot, oh, it's fun. And NASCAR, 48.
even if Jimmy Johnson retired, I don't care.
Yeah.
I'm gonna watch
There
IndyCar.
is 48.
I'm gonna watch
Hot.
IndyCar.
Yep.
That's
Okay.
what I'm gonna watch.
Okay,
IndyCar.
let's go. We go to the front.
Camera.
Let's go here in the front, RJ. We just we picking here first. Okay, guys.
The heart. It's Valentine's hearts.
Ang dilim dito, guys.
It's Valentine's hearts
Pasensya na.
outside.
Ang dilim. Hindi
There's some
makita.
Valentine's hearts outside that someone gave us.
Ooh.
And
Ooh, tingnan nyo, guys.
A package.
Na, mayroong...
address.
Yeah. Tingnan nyo, guys. Ang front door. Dahil Valentine's Day kasi today, and then baka mga bata sa neighbor naglalagay dito. Hindi namin alam. At saka mayroong package doon. Natin sent a picture. Yan. Doon namin nalaman na mayroong palang Valentine's message dito. Oh. Yan. Ang daming chocolate, RJ. Okay, we go to the garage now. Hi guys, nandito naman ako sa labas guys. Dito na ako sa garage. At saka ang dami nagpa-parking dyan ng mga cars guys sa labas. Dami cars. Yan. And nandito si RJ, mayroon pang snow dito oh. Sa labas. Aming front yard to oh. Ooh, it's so slippery RJ.
Want some snow?
Don't do that.
No.
Just flip-flop.
No.
It's RJ. It's so cold, RJ. Don't do that. No, I get my gloves first. No.
Yeah. Want dance in the snow?
No, RJ, stop. I get my gloves first so that I have gloves. Okay. Ito na. Okay. Ito si RJ. Yun. Yan si RJ. Ito. Yeah. Ito ang package, guys. Sinisend to sa email ni Daddy, and then that's why na laman namin na mayroong mga Valentine's heart here. Dahil dito, i-send some picture ng package. Amazon package. So, ito na, oh. Yan, wow. Who's this, RJ? Remember, the work of soul is great in the sight of God. Oh, abay na, ha? There you go. I love you. What's this, RJ? I love you. And dito, if you are feeding blue, these hugs and kisses are for you. Ooh. And the other.
I didn't see. I want to put them all.
Okay, there is.
Do them all again.
You're the real. What's that? You read. There you go.
You're the best.
You're the best. Yan, ang dami, guys. At saka meron pa, oh.
You.
You, no. I love you, not you. I love you. That means, RJ. What's
Nothing
that?
I shall support from us.
Ooh,
The love in God and Christ.
loud, RJ.
Turn it up.
Okay. As from the love of the God in the Christ. That's true. And this is, what's this? Ang dami to, oh. Sinong nagbigay to, RJ? Alam mo ba? Alam mo, RJ? You know this, RJ, who gave this us?
No.
Yan. Tingnan niyo, ang dami to, oh.
No.
Wow.
I don't know, sir.
You don't know. Wow,
Oh,
nice.
look at the window.
Yep,
Step in the window.
yep. Okay, we go now. Let's go. We bring now this. Don't do that. We bring now in the garage. We just put that there.
Oh. Stop.
Okay. Oh. Yes. Yeah. Okay, bring that item, please. Yep.
I'll throw them in.
Okay, let's go now. Here is a balad, guys. Ang dami to, guys, oh. Ang daming chocolate. Aming front yard. See?
Hey,
Wala ng snow.
Nana, how you make snow
What?
mask?
What? Snow
This is
mask.
how you
Don't
make
do that.
Snow mask. Grab a
Don't do that.
mask. That's good. No,
Okay, we go now.
that. You got snow mask.
Ano na? Okay, here, guys. Oh, ang lamig, RJ. Oh my goodness. Fall down, RJ. Here, we put this here all, RJ. Oops. Ah!
Destroy these.
Oh, oh no. You fall down now, RJ.
Destroy two candy.
Okay, just put that in. Okay. Ooh,
Destroy two candy.
candy cases, chocolate cases, RJ.
I like different kinds.
Have that there too, RJ.
I eat
RJ.
them now.
No, tomorrow that is. Not yet ready, RJ. To eat. What? What you doing there? Ooh, what's that? Newspaper? Oh,
Snacks.
snacks. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
We don't need Smiths.
Yeah, true.
Strong.
Okay. Okay, throw na your gloves and wash your hands, ha? Later, I go in the backyard.
What?
Take off my gloves.
Are you going in the backyard, sir?
Okay, we go to the backyard.
I'm not going.
Yeah. It's so cold my hands now, RJ. Okay. Let's go here. Ang dilim dito guys, so lang light. So pupunta muna ako dito. Okay, bye. Punta ako dito. Yan. 6 o'clock na guys. Ito madilim na kapag winter dito. Pero kung summer, until 9 o'clock, mayroong pang araw dito guys. So yan, oh. Yan ang aming bakuran, yung lamig dito. Whew. Okay guys, that's it for today guys. Happy Valentine's Day everyone. So I hope you like it guys. As short video for today. Okay guys, kung bago pa kayo dito guys, don't forget to subscribe and see you next video guys. Bye bye for now.